Hello, folks. Uh, we are back. I hope everyone's doing fine. Today is another day, the second day of this week. Today is Tuesday, and a very, very good welcome to everyone who join me every day. And I really appreciate you you coming. Thank you so much. So let's get back to our daily routine top-down analysis. And right now we are going bearish, very bearish. We are going, it's weekly, another week of bearish. On daily, we are going down again. We had a bullish day yesterday. Now we are having a bearish day today. And now from the daily to 4 hour, 4 hour is okay. So we are going to delete this. We have a support over here. We don't know yet, but the 4 hour candle is about to close in 6 minutes, so it might be possible that we have a support over here. And if we have a support over here and this 4 hour and candle is engulfing, that means we are very likely to go up. And 1 hour candle is, let's see what the 1 hour candle is doing. The 1 hour candle is having a resistance somewhere over here, and the support of 1 hour candle is, we can say, here as well. And on 30 minute, let's go 30 30 30 30 30 30 30. Okay, sorry. Yeah, so yeah, uh 1 hour we have a resistance over here, very good resistance on 30 minutes, and we have a support down here. We have 5 minutes to go. um yeah, this would be our resist support. This, let me put this. Yeah, we have a support down here, and if we are gonna go above from here, okay, let's see what the 15 minute is doing. Yeah, the 15 minute is um, also having the same range as the support over here and a resistance somewhere over here. And yeah, if we break above the resistance, we are very likely to go to this resistance, which is 134 pips. And I hope you're listening to me. My voice is good. Yeah. Whoever is watching, welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay. Oh, yeah. If we break this resistance, we are very likely to go 70. Okay, this is 80 pips. I think so. If we break this resistance or support over here, we are very much likely to go to this. Yeah, so let's see what the candles are going to do. To do, to do, to do. Let's see what the candles are about to print for us today. Today. Yeah, the New York is about to start after 3 minutes. It's already started. Let's see. We are. Let's see what the news we have today. Although we did saw the news yesterday. Yesterday. If we got here. Okay, yeah. So Forex Factory. Yeah. Let me show you guys as well. Yeah. Let me show you guys as well. Yeah. I did open the Chrome. Why aren't you showing me? Let me see. Okay, there's something wrong. Now I guess, yeah, now you can see. Yeah. So let's see what we're doing. The 4x factory. 4x factory. Let's see. Okay, so despite false statement to the contrary, Iran has fully and completely agreed to the highest. Iran has fully completely agreed the highest level nuclear inspection long into the future infinity. This will ensure. Okay, yeah, this makes this go down. Yeah, for the gold. Yeah, no red candle, no red candle. So yeah, so we are almost. It's 9 o'clock is about to start. So let's see what yeah, I think so. We're gonna break down. Ooh, if we break down, we go down, baby, we go down. Let's see what 4 hour is doing. 4 hour is rejecting with a big wick. So yeah, let's go to 15 minute. 15 minute is what we need. 15 minute is what we need. Yeah, we're gonna look for 15 minute. Yeah, I think so. We are going to, we are going to. Okay, what do you mean by that? Did it break down? Did it or did it not? What the hell? What was this? You broke and you came all the way 25 fish already? I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know what you're trying to do, but I'm not gonna force any trade. Oh, sorry. I didn't put my yeah. So there's something wrong. The market just started and it just starts pushing down. And this is 4 hour just starts to go down because it did not go and it came back with a very strong upper wick. It rejects very strongly and we are most likely to go to we are very most likely to go to damn damn man. If I had this now the one that I could not take this trade. Yeah. Can you imagine? Oh my God. That candle just turned red in the last moment. Wow. If this candle goes up, come back down. It is not that extended, I guess. Yeah, it is not. If it goes up, then I'll create an wow. I anticipated that it would go down, but I didn't anticipate that it would go this much down. Let's see. Let's see what's happening. Yeah, it is pushing up. I guess it would push up, and if it creates an upper wick a bit more longer, and I am very much interested to take a sell because the 1 hour is printed very much bearish, and 30 minute a bearish, stupid bearish. Even though this 30-minute candle was not that big and it rejected and it came down. I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. Let's see what happens. I can't force. If it didn't turn out in my way, let it be. If you see in 1 minute. Yeah, stupid. I don't care. Yeah, it's going up. I think so it's gonna go up. But if it doesn't, what are the odds that it breaks? Okay. Okay, I just missed what I anticipated. It is a big rejection now. What what in the name? It should create an upper wick and then should go down. Uh, wow, what a bad guy. Mhm. Wow, wow. If it creates a slight upper wick, I would create a, I would create a, four one one two five zero. 4112.50. I don't know. I'm not okay with this. I'm not good with this. I am not happy with this kind of setup. I'm not sure because this is a very strong support and it did not broke the support and I can't let it go just like this. This would have been my yeah. It did not. Yeah, if it closes like this, I can go for buy because 4 hour just turned blue and it can go up because the previous 4 hour was bullish and this um well I don't know. I don't know, man. Yeah, because this was a very strong support here. You see, the markets keep juggling here for a very long time. Yeah, we can't trust this market right now because it's the market open, and there will be volume, there would be lots of things happening. So I would not go for any, yeah, just 4 5 minutes, and if this engulf this candle, yeah, the 30 minute lost its size. So yeah, even on 30 minute, you can see on 30 minute it is a very strong support over here. You see, just came back, just came back, just came back. So you come back. So if it engulfs like this, we are very, 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 very good position. We're in a very good position that we might go up. Who knows? Who knows? You don't know. I don't know you. How do you know that? We're gonna wait. We're not gonna rush. We're not gonna rush anything. I'm not gonna jump into any sort of trade just based on, the time and everything. I want a clear breakthrough. I can't. You know, looking at the market, if we see market just created its low high. So market would go down. I think so the market would go down, but I cannot risk anything. I cannot take a trade without this support is being broken. What if this candle closes uh, doji, loji, or doji? That would be personally that would be very disturbing because I didn't expect it the market would turn like this. But I cannot take a trade now. Well, these are the last 3 minutes, and I don't trust the market for the last 3 minutes to jump into a trade. That's a very big no for me. That's what I've learned. That's what I've noticed. That's what I've first minute. Yeah, doji. No logic behind this doji. Yeah. If we break below this support, we have a really good range to fill for 100 pips, which is a good pip, which is a good thing, which is a good. Yeah, the last 3 minutes, I am not gonna jump into any trade. Can't do that. Good day, Adam. Good day, Mr. Pereira. How are you? Good day, man. It was a good day. It was a good day, really. Bah, 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 bah. See, these are the last minutes, and and honestly, if the 30-minute engulfs this one, this 30-minute candle, the previous 30-minute candle, it is a very high chance that we might go up and fill this whole range. Even though there's a very big traffic block every time. One, two, three, four traffic blocks. So unless we don't cross this, I'm not happy with this. And this is for some people. The market tapped in this zone for some people who look for support, supply and demand. This was a very good demand zone, yeah. And market just tapped in and it would go up, and I think so the market would, because this is the last minute. You got a minute to win it. Bring it. Never trust the market of 15 minute in its last few times. You know how I feel. He said, bro, live क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? Bro, I am live. I am live. You see, this this mother freaking candle just printed doji. 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 Yeah. For the people who are interested in taking uh, supply and demand zone, this is a very good setup. They can take this and just fill this range. I don't want to take this. Yeah. The first minute, you engulf this whole freaking range of 60 pips. You stupid. That means you are going up. Yeah, this is the first 2 minutes, and you see this candle just went down, and I don't know what's happening in the market right now, but we will see what the market is, because this was doji. Doji candle means uncertainty in the market. So you don't know what the hell market's gonna do. So you stick to your waiting time and yeah, 30 minute. I cannot take any trade right now because this was a very strong support over here. This one. And if the market broke, I want this support to be broken and then I would love to go for sells. Before that, I'm not gonna go in sells. Yeah, let's see what the US 30 has. Nothing much happening. Nothing in general happening. Uh, this was a support over here. This one. Yeah, we did broke down, but at the moment we want this to be broken as well. Then only then we will look for sell or buy. Let's see what the market's gonna do because it's the last 9 minutes of this 30-minute candle. If this 30-minute candle reverse from here, and there's a very big chance that we might go up because the first half of this 15-minute candle we stayed down. We didn't came up. We didn't dare to came up. So now I think so. If it rejects, we will go up. And if this candle engulf this, and if we close this candle something over here, 416. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. You see, like I said, if this candle stayed down, if it engulfs this candle as well, we are very much likely to go up. Very much likely to go up. And that is what we are doing. Yeah, this 30 minute now, 7 minutes to go for this 30 minute. If we engulf this 30 minute like this, we are very likely to go up, but we don't know yet. We need a candle closure before we take any sort of trade. How many pips are these? Way bad, way bad, way bad, way bad, way bad. Yeah, the 30 minute, it rejected a lot from here. Like I said, it would go up. It would go up. You see, the one I was talking about, this support was very major. We lost 6 minutes for this candle to close. Let's see what this candle prints for us in this market, in this frame. I don't know. 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 We need a candle closure before we have our. Yeah, we want that 10 to happen. We want the candle closure. Never trust the market before the candle closes. Yeah, that's what the main major point it is. You need to go a bit of aggressive. You need to buy. You need to sell. Go aggressive, passive funded. You know, up high in the sky. You know how I feel. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Gold, keep it up, keep it up, keep it up. Lost four, well, four, lost four, lost four, yeah. Lost 4 minutes, yeah. Lost 4 minutes, yeah. Very bad, very bad, very bad. It was a very clean range. I did took a trade. I just had a loss over here. That's what I'm not gonna talk about. Yeah. Let's see what the market's gonna do with us. With us. With us. Last 3 minutes. Let's see. Where are we going to engulf this 30 minutes candle? If we do. If we do. Nobody knows. for buyers. What can we do then? What can we do? You know what I mean? There's nothing much to do. Do 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 do. Last 1 minute. Last 1 minute. If you know, you know, I just said if the market closes somewhere for 116, if you rewind that, you go back, you'll see that I just said this. I don't know what's the market gonna do now. So just keep an eye on the market. You never know. You never know, the market reverse from here and go down and create a bearish candle, and that's not what we need. We need an engulfing candle like this, and this is the last minute. And last minute gives us very much, you know, very, 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 very. Okay, okay. Nerves cracking. We did engulf the 30-minute candle. We did. What should we do? We wait for this section to be taken out. If this section is not taken out, then we are out. We need a closure of this range, yeah, then we are lucky to get this frame. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. You see, the first minute is going down. The next minute is very likely to go up. And this is 30 minute. 30 minute mean NYSC open. NYSC is open. If I place a buy over here, it can go down rocket size. If I sell, it can go up rocket size. Yeah, but I don't know. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for this whole section to be taken out. Then I'm very pretty sure that I will go for first this and not this, then this. One handed. So yeah, we. Let's see what 1 hour is doing. 1 hour just came back. Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, that's why. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. See, now it will go up. How many pips are these? These pips are almost 65 pips. It's gonna go rocket. Yeah, it's gonna go rocket now. So we're not getting into danger zone. Yeah, we're not gonna get into danger zone. Not gonna get into danger zone. You're coming from a support. See, this is what I was talking about. And if we would have been in a trade, we've already booked 70 pips. But I need this area to be engulfed, to be taken out. Then I will be very happy for taking a buy. Before that, I don't think I'm not gonna get into any trade because there are so many roadblocks. If this, not this, not this, anyone can create a mess. So you don't get into messes. 64. Yeah. very volatile, very disturbing market. You don't know what's the market's gonna print for you. So you wait for we wait for our candle to close. Yeah. It feels really good when you start reading the market so good that you know what the market's gonna do, and market does it as it is, as you wish it to happen. Yeah. And losses are a part of game. Once you come up, you come down, you come better more down, then you go up high in the sky. So this is all about your mind, all about your mind. How many pips are these? These are almost 250 to 60 pips, yeah. High in the sky, you know how I feel. It's gonna go up, like I said. It's gonna go up, it's gonna go up, and it's not gonna come back. You just come back. I forgot that I bought water. I bought water today because my throat gets so dry every time I speak so much. That's why I just bought water with me today. Water is very, very essential. Very essential. Water. I can't live without water. And I guess nobody can live without water. And I guess this 15-minute candle would engulf this whole area, and then we will anticipate to go up because 4 hour and ooh, yeah, we just went back, we came up, we just created a lower wick of 4 hour as well, and now I think so we're gonna push, at least we're gonna push to, yeah, I want this to be broken, and if this get broken, I'm very much in broken. We're gonna go up and taken. Yeah, yeah. Ah, what a day would it be if I get this move, man? I'll be more than happy. Yeah. Oof. Nice to see you, man. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. I know you're in buys on US 30. Yeah. If the gold goes up, it goes down. See Discord, 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 Discord. Everyone. Not confirmation. Bro, you're a legend, man. You're G. You're so good. Yeah, it is gonna go up. Up and stuck. We have 1500 pips. Well, 150 pips now. 1500 points. It's 150 pips. That's 150 pips, man. I have to let it go. I have to let this 150 pips because of the roadblocks we have on the left side. We cross the road if the clean traffic. You see how good it is. How good it is. We are waiting and this. Do you see? That's why I am not taking risk in these roadblocks. One, two, three, four. I'm not gonna take risk in these roadblocks, these four roadblocks, because You never know it's gonna stop here, it's gonna reverse from here, it's gonna reverse from here, it's gonna reverse from here. You don't know. So it's better to have a clean traffic than you go up. Yeah. Yeah. Break every hit holding from the man, so good, so good. Yeah. I don't go here and there from the gold. I just stay on gold. You're using US 30, I don't go in US 30. Yeah. I know it's sometimes it's frustrating. You can't. You see, market trying to go up, but this resistance is creating so much noise that it's coming back again and again. But my anticipation is that it's gonna go up. It is gonna go up. It is going to go up. But we don't know yet. We don't know. We don't know. Last 5 minutes, and we're gonna rocket here. We're gonna have a rocket here. We're gonna have a rocket. 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 Very bad. Very bad. Very bad. Very bad. Rocket. That's what I was talking about. Rocket. 100 pips already. That's why I can't risk. I can't take risk. There is a type of risk. There's a risk you need to take. That there's a risk you don't need to take. So differentiate between the risk you don't need to take. Don't take that risk. Like you're gonna you know you're a paraglider. You know, and you have to dive. You skydive. There's a risk of jumping. Your parachute might not open. That's a risk you can take. You have a parachute with you, and then you have a, a risk that you go off without a parachute. That's a clear death. So you don't go and clear death. Yeah, I wanted this to engulf this whole area so that I can just take a buy. And on 1 hour we are about to break. Yeah, this is on 30 minute. Yeah, we are just I just want this on 30 minutes so that I can go up. Even though I know the 4 hour just printed bullish, and now I think so it's gonna go up without any hesitation. So yeah. You know how I feel. Like 3 minutes. You stupid. If I would have taken the shot, I would have been in profits, if it's 67, if I did 65 pips, I would have been made 120 pips. Oh, 1 to 2. and I can't take this stupid risk. Very, 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 very. Yeah, we are waiting. I know it was a 30-minute engulfing, and we could have taken this engulfing move, and then we would have been up now in 120 pips profit, but I can't take this risk. I want this work box to finish, and then only then I'll be able to take a buy. And 1 hour, 1 minute to go for this, 15 minute to close, and then we'll have 15 minutes for an hour to complete, and then it will be 10 a.m. in the market over there in New York. And now we are about, I hate this. I know this mother freaking gold is gonna skyrocket in the next moon, and I'm not gonna get this one. How bad it is. The New York is so bad. Stupid, 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 stupid. I drink so much water, still I'm having a dry throat. Wow. I wanted to break down and close somewhere over here like this. Fuck, man. Sorry. I want this to bring something like this. But it's very hard, man. It's very hard. Yeah, that's why it's coming back from the resistance. And I wanted to, yeah, they're not gonna go less than 100 pips today. That's our. We just came from the support, 4 hours well, and now we're gonna go up at least 415, 416 right now. Last 13 minutes. And I don't want this candle to go skyrocket. I swear I don't want this. I just want it to be very, very, very polite. Closing some like this. Golfing, having a very nice. Something like this. Forget it, fuck it. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, in the start of the 15 minute, if you're doing this, I don't like you, man. I swear I don't like you. Don't go up. I genuinely don't like you to go up at this moment because we still have 12 minutes. This is uh okay, exactly. I want this kind of candle to be made. If this candle does not print like this, I need to look. Wow. Wow. Marcus, just do what you say it's gonna do. Very bad. Very, 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 very. What can we do then? We will wait for this to engulf, and then, and only then, we will look for buys. Don't go up, man. This is 10 minutes to go, and I want this candle to print just like this. Exactly like this, and I will be so happy. I don't care if I had my stop loss then, if I have this kind of candle, because it will be it. Don't go up. What if I haven't? I would have taken the trade from this. Wow. I would already book 200 pips by now, and I would be making 3. Oh my God. What a day would it be? What? Oh, fuck. Why would you even do that, man? We still got 9 freaking minutes. 9 freaking minutes for this candle to close, and we are already doing what we supposed to do in the next 15 minutes. It's okay. You know how I feel. Dun, 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 dun. You can't blame the gold. It's just your luck if you get a good set. I did get a good setup. I could have I could have taken a trade over here because it was a good support over here. And I could have taken this 220 pips. Wow. Wow. Mm. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Wow. Okay. Lost 7 minutes and we are already doing what we need to do in the next. Oh, fuck, man. I'm sorry, I didn't want to say that word, but what is this platform you're on? What is this platform? This is MT5, man. Oh, fuck. I don't care, man. Now, what, whatever the platform is, I just screwed myself now. Wow, I missed the soul. Aren't you even trying to come down a bit, man? Stupid. It's okay. Last 6 minutes. And you know when you're waiting for the candle to print as you want it to, it start printing against you, stupid. Well, it's okay. I don't need to rush things. The might go the gold might come back. Last 5 minutes and I think so it's gonna stay like this. Wow. I want the gold to come back a bit, then 4 minutes to go. The last 4 minutes for this candle. Let's see what this candle does and what the next candle is going to do. If the next candle is printing the same way we want it to. Let's see what happens. This is really nice. Even if it closes like this, we still have 100 pips to go. If it closes like this, we have 4 minutes. We have 4 freaking minutes. Wow. Okay. Last 3 minutes. This isn't a bad setup. I would say that. It's a really nice setup. If the candle closes like this is what I wanted. I hope it does not go up now. This would be a textbook setup, but I would call it 1 hour candle getting too close now. Yeah, but it's good. We are we are going up. Last 2 minutes and see what the last 2 minutes are gonna do. Huh. Wow, what a pathetic Q gold. Last 1 minute 30 seconds. Wow. This, every time you look at the candle of gold to print as you want it to, it will definitely won't print it like you want it to. 3, yeah, 10, 9, 8. Yeah, I can do the countdown, but yeah, still, if, yeah, really, don't go up, man. Now, okay. Are you stupid or something? What is this? 4136. Yeah, it should go down. Yeah, wow. You need to create a little more big wick. Stupid. Go down again. Just once. Go down, man. You know what? I don't think so. It's a good trade. Let's see what happens. Yeah, we're in the trade now. Let's see what the gold does. If it's gonna give us something today, just gonna, just gonna, I'm just gonna move my stop loss a bit here. If the gold breaks this high, I will be very happy. Let's see. This is RTP. This is RTP. What if I move my TP to here? No, let's see. It's rejecting from that area. Let's let's bring it over here. Let's see what the goal is gonna do. If it's gonna if it's gonna give us something or not. Back in the range, I'm putting my stop loss back in the range. Yeah. Let's see what happens now. I want the gold to go above. And I was using 0.3 lot and I'm in 0.2. What the hell is this? Yeah, let's see. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Yeah, it should broke its high and it should take my TP as well because that's what the goal is meant to do today. If it doesn't breaks the high, it did break its high. And yeah, now I'm gonna do it to break even because it did broke the high. It should not come down now. If it does come down, calm down, man. Yeah, I did a break even and now I'm waiting for it to take my TP because it did broke its high and yeah, rather than hitting my stop loss, would you please hit TP? That would be a very, very welcoming for me. Yeah, it is coming down, but I think so it should go up. Haha. I don't know. Let's see what the goals brings to us today. I thought it's gonna be 0.3. Yeah, that's 0.2. I don't like it. Because if I had 0.3, I would be making much more than that. It's okay. It's okay. I did my break even. I did. Let's see what the goal is gonna do now. Last 1 minute of the 5 minute candle. And it should break the high and it should skyrocket and take my TP and I'll be very happy with it. Yeah, this is what I was talking about. Take my TP, man. It's all yours. It's all yours. It's one tick. Don't come down now. Just go. I'm gonna secure 80%. Yeah. Boom! What did we do? What did we do? We hit our TP. What did we do? We hit our TP. That's it. That's what we need to do every single day. Good. And it just came back immediately after hitting my TP. That's what we need to do. That's what we do. Ah, that's good. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. How how amazing it is. The moment it hit my TP, it came back. I don't know it's gonna go up again. It's gonna go down. Peace. 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 We're gonna do a W. W. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. That's what we need. That's what we need. Okay? That's what we need. Thank you so much. It was a good trade. Ahmad, me in 2065 watching gold reach 25,000 without reacting to my 3321 buy limit. It actually happens, man. It actually happens. But it's okay. Okay, guys, see you tomorrow. It was a good day. We did hit our TP once again. W in the chat if you want to. So our strategy is simple. Our TPs are simple. That's what we do. That's what we need. See you tomorrow. It's a good day. It was a quick, just 1 hour. We had our TP. Thank you so much for coming again, and see you tomorrow. It was lovely, and we hit a TP. We hit a TP. Now we're going down. That's what we call setups. That's what we call setups. You know, very good, very good. Keep it up, keep it up. Thank you so much. W's in the chat. How do you make W with your fingers though? W's. Okay. So win again. Thank you so much. Have a good day. See you tomorrow with another day. Bye.